In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace text in Adobe Acrobat. So the first thing you can do when you open your document is you can go to the Edit PDF tab over here on the right. It's going to open up the editing tools and you can just go and select the text you want to replace. So for example, this portion over here, I can click on it, I can select it, remove it by clicking the delete button, and I can go and type in something else, whatever I want, okay? That's the first way to do this. So of course, you could also close this and use a different method if you want to, and that is the following. You could go and press Ctrl and F on your keyboard, and then you have the find option, and you can replace this with something else. So this is going to be like a find and replace. So I can find something, for example, if I type in sample, and as you can see, it's gonna find me 7 matches. I can go and replace this with a different word, for example, hello. So every single sample word is gonna get replaced with hello. I can just click on replace, and it's gonna replace the first one, then of course replace next, the next one, and then again. I can go and do this as many times as I want, okay? So that's essentially how to replace text in Adobe Acrobat. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.